Hey everybody, Michael here. Dogecoin has had a little bit of a pop. We're going to talk about, is it worth buying at this time, or is it something that you want to stay away from, or do you want to just double down on your position, stuff like that. Before we get started, I'm going to move to this format for doing technical analysis in the short term. I'm waiting for a camera. It's just too tedious to try to record myself in front of my TV on my iPhone over here. Besides that, let's get after it, guys. So we're currently holding support on the weekly chart. Everything's looking nice. We're kind of stuck in this channel over the last few months. It's okay, you know, it's been kind of dull, so to speak, watching Dogecoin. But now we had a nice little pop. And what you're seeing here is we're actually pretty close to the 20-week moving average and the 50-week moving average, getting close enough where Dogecoin can have a really big spike above it. We're trying to, at the moment, just try to break out this level. Let's take a look at the daily chart right here. We were just trying to break out here, and even now it looks like it's still a little too hard for Dogecoin. Usually when Dogecoin pops, it gets shorted heavily time and time again. The one good thing I'm seeing here, though, is this is our first bull alert on the algo since all the way back over here in September, and we saw how that ended up being a nice little move. So this could be the beginning of a good move with a price target up here about 35 cents. If we were ever to break out of this level, this channel right here, just like sheep, that'd be more of the zone where you guys want to be buying it. For now, though, it's not really worth adding more to Doge positions. It's better if you just hold what you have. Put a stop loss down here at like maybe 15, 16 cents and see if it holds there. Wait to see if tomorrow we can have a better day as we try to chug back up, move up, back up a bit more here and there. But let's see for now. It's more of a holding pattern. You guys really want to make sure that this isn't going to fall all the way back down. Like if we go over here to the 15-minute chart, you can see how it's bouncing off the trend line here. It could easily just fall back down, come all the way back down here to 16 cents. And if you were to buy up here, it wouldn't be looking so good. So if you guys had bought over here or even a while ago, but even back when it was in the 20 cents range, right? You don't have to buy anymore. Just let it sit. Whatever it does, it'll do. If you guys want to do some day trading on this, that'd be more preferable. Your best thing to do would probably be waiting to see if you can play a bounce off of this, or if you want to short it down in case it does come back down to 16 or even 17 cents. So for now, guys, it's exciting. We have our first bullish alert. We're a little bit close to actually having a golden cross here on the daily charts between the 50-day moving average and the 200. But you can see it's going to take a little bit of time and one big pump in order to get us to do that. So if you guys are looking at something happening in the next few days, or excuse me, next few weeks here, possibly even months for Dogecoin, what you would want to see is just a gentle curl back up, right? And then eventually coming back up here to test. But in that meantime, what you would want to see is, let's do a yellow here. You'd want to see the 200 continue coming down. And then you would have the 50. Oh, well, I guess that changed the color, didn't it? Basically crossing above that. That would give us a really nice bullish price target or a really nice bullish move. And that's where you can see Dogecoin starting to rally back up here. You're going to see a lot more volume coming in. But until that happens, it's just okay to sit back and wait. If you guys still want to buy at these levels, technically Dogecoin at 18 cents is still a very, very cheap buy. Don't put a lot of money into it, maybe max 500 bucks. It is a high risk play at the moment because for the most part, Dogecoin has been bleeding out. It's not bleeding out like an ICP or something like that, but overall, don't put too much money in this one unless it starts to break above this 35% level. Then you can really, hitch a ride on it and start going to the moon from there. But for now, small positions if you want to get in there. Wait for this golden cross to occur sometime in the next few weeks. And then from there, we should be okay. Until then, though, guys, we need Bitcoin to hold, because if Bitcoin doesn't hold, it's going to drag Dogecoin down possibly back into the less than 10 cent range. So be very, very careful about this. This really needs to hold these 16, 15 cent levels, or otherwise Dogecoin is going to slowly die unless a whale comes in here like it did previously and really push those shorts out of the way. There's a lot of shorts involved with Doge, which means they can be squeezed out. So keep that in mind, guys. Just hold what you guys have, and you guys should be fine. Thanks, everybody, and please make sure to subscribe.